Welcome to Chennai Press News Channel.
Chennai is going to make history this Sunday, February 22nd, from YMCA Nandanam Grounds from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. The world's largest peace gathering in 200 countries, reaching 200 crore people. You might have seen the video, February 5th, 2 weeks ago, President Donald Trump was with me and American Speaker Mike Johnson, endorsing the summit together. What is the purpose of this peace rally? To stop 58 major wars. As you have seen me addressing the American US Kansas Parliament last month, January 15th. If you don't have, we will provide you that video. You can just Google Dr. K. Paul, US Kansas Parliament. India should lead. In 2002, in Marina Beach, 24 years ago, I conducted the similar peace festival where lakhs of people supported. Madam Jayalalitha did not come, did not support. Central minister, chief ministers, many ministers came. And she was defeated. She lost all 38 seats. And today, then she hosted me when I landed with humanitarian aid for Tamil Nadu during tsunami 2004 December. She graciously, humbly hosted me. I campaigned. She won again in 2014. The present Chief Minister Stalin, also shockingly, after I met with him, some Mr. Paul Dinakaran with related to Udayanidhi spoke to him, he did not support. I came to know Mr. Paul Dinakaran is related to Udayanidhi, his daughter, Paul Dinakaran's daughter, and some Udayanidhi relation. It's okay. But peace is supported by everybody. This is not a political meeting. BJP government is supporting. You see the names of the 12 political parties MPs. Congress government is supporting. DMK 5-time MP Tiruchi Siva also attended my summit in Delhi. 7 major religious leaders, Hindu, Muslim, Catholic, Christian, Jewish also attended. 200 countries except China, North Korea, Iran, one more country, Russia. All are supporting and 7 territories are not supporting. This is a historic event for Chennai. 2002, we stopped the major war between India and Pakistan. I was invited by Pakistan leaders and watched by Prime Minister. Now also, every president is attending. Every world leader is supporting. Why the local chief minister is not responding, not attending, I don't know. But today they gave police permission at 1 o'clock. And I told Chief Minister Stalin, within 48 hours, if you give police permission, God bless you. If not, I will go to the honorable court and get the permission. Exactly 1 p.m. Wednesday, within 48 hours, today 1 p.m., they gave police permission to conduct the meeting. Now I am inviting the respected Chief Minister. I met him. He invited me. Why he changed his mind? I don't know. This Space Festival will put Chennai on the map of the world. Just like 1989 till now, we put Hyderabad on the map of the world. At that time, Chandrababu Naidu was MLA, Rajshekar Reddy was MLA. I brought Bill Gates, Bill Clinton, 700 companies. This is exactly what I told respected Chief Minister Stalin in my 90-minute meeting. This is, but why Peace Festival is given permission today? How I can bring international media in one day? How I can bring Reuters, AP from 200 countries today? I requested the permission 1 month ago, 33 days ago, in writing. They just gave 1 p.m. today. Shocking. I am not against Stalin government. I am not in support of any political party. This is a peace festival. But why? 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 One Paul Dhanakaran? Because related to his daughter, related to Mr. Udayanidhi, Deputy CM, in what way? Why? They should stop a global peace festival. I only agreed to this after CM Stalin agreed to host Bishop Satya Seelan Govinda was there in our 90-minute meeting. Today only first time I am releasing CM Stalin picture with me. I never released it. Today I am releasing. So I am asking the respected Chief Minister, please come immediately. Do your best to support this peace festival. Come at least for 1 hour, 8 to 9 p.m. Just like every president comes, they speak 2-3 minutes, 5 minutes. You speak the plan for Tamil Nadu, no problem. AIDMK, welcome. Congress, welcome. BJP, welcome. Anybody else, welcome. Even through you, I am extending invitation to that young actor Vijay also. Because this is not a political rally, but supported by 18 political parties of India, including the Congress and BJP. You read the letters, you see the videos. But if the local chief minister refuses to support, give us the reason why. You should have told me 30 days ago. We could have conducted. Meghalaya CM Conrad Sangma is asking. Andhra CM Chandrababu asking. Telangana CM Ravant Reddy asking. But sadly, the permission is only given today instead of 1 month ago police permission. So jeopardizing our, crippling our plans, global plans. But anyway, I thank God and Chief Minister Stalin. Please come on Sunday at least from 8 to 9:30 p.m. As you are going to many other meetings, we'll give you podium to promote Tamil Nadu, promote peace and stop wars. Thank you very much. God bless you.